Here are the notes from today. So it's the 20th of March. We're doing factorising medium hard level stuff, and we're looking at common factor. All right, so if you get a question like this and you don't know what to do with it, you could deal with it by putting a +0 on the end and then trying to figure out what multiplies to 0 and what adds to 9, which of course is 9 and 0. So you could end up with two brackets like this, but it would be better if we look at trying to take out a common factor. So what's common to x squared and 9x? It's x. So we take the x out, and what's left is x squared and 9x. So we get it factorised like this. This is the same as this. This has this extra +0 in it. They're exactly the same. They're both right, but this is a nicer way of writing it. Okay, so if in a question we have number at the front of x squared, we should look for a common factor first. So if we're looking for a common factor, we are trying to find out which number can go into 2, 8 and 6. That would be 2. So if we take 2 out, we get left with x squared and 4x and 6. So 3, because 2 times 3 is 6. So then once we've taken that out, we would write it the same at the front here. We always have to keep it in our thing, but we now have to factorise this bracket. So factorising this bracket, what multiplies to 3, adds to 4, is 1 and 3. So that's fairly straightforward. And this one is a little bit more complicated just because we've got an extra factor in this one. So what's common to this one, and this one? Yes, the numbers is 5, but there's also an x we can take out of each one and put at the front. So if we do that, we get left with x squared, 2x, and minus 8. Then we factorise that, comes out to x minus 2 and x plus 4. All right? So we've still got to keep that 5x at the front. It's part of our factorising. We could get one like this, which actually we could factorise like we were the other day. But in this case, we could also just take the negative sign out and turn it around so that we've got a positive x squared, a positive x, and a negative 20. And then use our two brackets of what do we multiply to get negative 20, what adds to +1 is positive 5 and negative 4. So that would be another way of factorising that. Okay, so now we need some practice. See you later.